We're going to be looking at how we can use the 1DM download manager for Android, which is one of the best download managers that gives you speed at least 3 times your normal internet speed. After you install it, open it. At the first screen, you're going to have to select the language, tap on English and select. It's always better to select the download location as your phone or emulated storage to give you better speed. Select this. We can have to grant storage access to 1DM. So firstly, we're going to tap on yes here. It says can't use folder. So you can either create a new folder or select the one that is already on your phone. I'm going to prefer to download. Firstly, I'm going to select this folder, etc. and use this folder, allow. But it shows error here. Tap on yes, go to root, and we're going to find the download folder. That is the main download folder, this one. And we're going to create one new folder with the name 1DM. Tap OK and use this folder, allow. Now we are here. You can just skip this. And this is a battery optimization setting. This is completely optional, so cancel. And you can just create the shortcut if you like, but it's totally optional, cancel. And now we can download with various options. If you tap on plus, you can directly import the download link here, either from clipboard or also from text file, etc. But this is a basic guide, so we can use the browser method. Tap on browser option here and try downloading the files, cancel. Let's try to download and see the download speed. Let's try downloading the CapCut file. Download. And you can tap on Wi-Fi only option and tap on start. Now if we go back, return to IDM. As you can see, download speed is quite great. It's very fast. If we go to now finish section, yes, we have the file downloaded in just less than 30 seconds, I guess. So that's the basic guide. Whenever you want to download any file, you can go to this browser option and search for anything on the internet that you want to download and begin downloading it.